Over the past 3 months, I've made around $9,000. I chose a trending niche 2D Stickman animations, which gets tens of millions of views, and it brings creators of this type of content over around $5,000 per month. A single video like this can make creators over around $1,000. In this video, I will teach you how to create the same animations using only AI tools. Show you the whole process step by step, and you will be able to start today. First, you need to come up with and write a script for your Stickman animation. You can use ChatGPT or any other text assistant to help you think of a simple story. For a short 1-minute animation, I wrote something like this. Write me a script for a 2D animation. Stick figures. Short hint, the stick figure developed, went to the gym, but everyone laughed at him. Then he became successful. ChatGPT will generate a detailed script with scenes. For my example, I chose a simple storyline where everyone mocked and bullied the Stickman, but despite everything, he kept working on himself. You can choose a more dynamic or very funny plot if you want. The choice is yours after the script. We move on to the second step. We need to create drawn Stickman images, and to make the process easier without drawing everything by hand, we will use the tool Canva. I will show you where to click on the left side. Click the purple circle, create, then choose the video section and click on mobile video. It takes us to a new project, and before we start, we will activate the free trial in Canva. This is very easy to do. They give you 30 trial days, and you can choose the pro or business version. You won't be charged. They simply let you try it for free. Choose the monthly business subscription and click next here. You just enter your card details so they can verify it. But don't worry, you won't be charged anything. Confirm it and you're done. You can use the business subscription completely free for 30 days. Let's continue. Click on Elements and type just one word into the search bar. Stickman. We need the graphics section. Now just pick the Stickman images you need depending on your story and your character's actions. You can also draw the necessary elements like a road or a small interior. Select tools and draw whatever you want. One image will be one animated scene. Drag the images onto the timeline. Everything is very easy, but my advice is to draw small details because they often make a big difference. I drew a small path where the characters are standing. Some scenes require additional drawing, like now when I'm drawing a wardrobe with a mirror on it. You don't even have to draw perfectly, but if you are a perfectionist, use straight lines so everything looks neat. Canva has a lot of different Stickman images, so you will definitely find something. And if not, you can draw right here or create your own character and make any color you want. There are many ideas now. How do we save our images in order? It's very simple. There are two options. Either we save all the images as a video and then save each one in a video editor, or we use a screenshot directly here. Press Windows plus Shift plus S, and a window will open where you can select any area with your mouse. Highlight only the part with your image. You have a ready screenshot that you can paste with Ctrl plus V, and to save it, use any messenger or open the website Pixlr. Come there, simply press Ctrl plus V and your image will appear on the site. To save it, click File at the top left, then Export and click the first option. Save it to your computer and that's it. Do the same steps with all the images. There is nothing difficult. I ended up with 16 images, which is pretty good after that. Close these websites, we won't need them anymore. If you are interested in content related to interior design for rooms or houses, I recommend trying the Respace AI interior design app. It is a completely free tool that allows you to create beautiful, high-quality designs in just a few seconds. The app offers a wide range of settings. You can choose the type of room, furniture style, and color to make the design look exactly the way you want. What's especially convenient is that Respace AI works right from your phone, so you can create content anywhere. Even without a computer, you can experiment with different room layouts, create modern living rooms, cozy bedrooms, kitchens, and even office spaces. You can choose from a variety of styles: minimalist, classic, futuristic, luxurious, Scandinavian, and many others. Each design looks very realistic and can be used immediately for your video content, thumbnails, or creative projects. This is a great way to easily create trendy interior design videos. It makes content creation very easy. The link will be in the description. Our third step is animating all of our images. We will use the site Comio, which has a special tool designed specifically for animating stick figures, which is really cool. Go to the AI image generator section and then to AI stick figure and animation, and you will get to the page we need. On this page, there is a step-by-step guide on how to turn a static Stickman image into an animation, and I will show everything now in the generation settings. Choose image or text. Then you need to upload your image. You can see the generation settings on the screen. Nothing complicated. Write a small prompt describing what will happen in the animation. The most important thing is that before writing your prompt, always start with the stick figure and then describe its movements. This helps the AI understand exactly what you want. Do not write too much. 2 to 4 sentences are enough for the AI model. Choose Como Anime. It is the cheapest but produces very high quality animations. Click, generate, and wait a bit. As you can see, I got a clean and high quality Stickman animation where he is typing on the keyboard. No bugs and nothing extra. Continue uploading your images. Do not change the settings, only change the prompt and generate if you run out of credits. That's not a problem. Simply switch to another account and you will have credits again. They also give daily credits, so if you want to use it for free, you can do that, or you can buy a subscription. It is very cheap. I really like how my animations are turning out. They look very high quality, and the best part is that we are not animating or drawing anything ourselves. Everything is done by artificial intelligence. What do you think? Share your opinion or write how your results look. You can notice that I am writing small prompts and it works perfectly. These animations can actually be made every day, but why? You can release one video every 2 or 3 days and make high-quality animation with a good storyline, like I mentioned earlier. For example, something funny or silly, or the opposite, dramatic and motivational. But I'll tell you a secret, it is better to make funny videos with unpredictable storylines. I am already done with all the animations. Look how many I got. Don't forget to download them to your computer and preferably place them in a separate folder. The next thing we need is sound effects. You should download the sounds that match your animation. For example, footsteps, crying, or laughter. I will use 11 Labs to generate my own sounds. And you can do the same. This tool is free, and you can generate a lot of different sounds in the Sounds tab. Just write your prompt, adjust it if necessary, and 11 Labs will generate the sounds. It's very convenient, and you don't need to search for anything. Congratulations! We are at the final step, which is video editing. Now we will combine all of our animations together. Use any video editor for this. I am using CapCut. Create a new project and upload all the scenes we animated, then place each animation on the timeline in chronological order like this. After that, cut out unnecessary actions and adjust everything the way you want. Place the sound effects so they match the actions and look good. Lower or increase the volume if needed, so it sounds pleasant. Sound is very important. Music is not required here, so we will do it without music. I will say that these types of animations are always popular. This niche has always been trending, so I recommend creating content in IT. Just try focusing on one goal for 1 or 2 months and you will get results. Do you think my channels grow quickly? No, I can create content for months, but I always set a goal and make high quality videos. And in every video, I say that everything depends on quality. If you make videos without putting effort into them, you won't get big views. I am telling you this based on 7 years of experience on YouTube, so always go to the end and everything will work out. I have already finished my editing place, the sounds, and cut out the unnecessary elements. Now export with the best settings, and let's see the result. Here's the animation I made, and I'm very satisfied with the result. How do you like it? Write in the comments and show what you created. We did not draw the stickmen by hand, and we didn't animate every frame. We did everything using artificial intelligence, and that's really cool. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you learned something new. Start creating 2D stickman animations right now and share your results in my Discord server or Telegram channel. I talk with subscribers there, answer questions about YouTube, and share useful information. All the links are in the description, so go ahead and join our community. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new trending niches, and I wish you recommendations and see you soon.